Congratulations to Selkirk Construction for winning lunch. See how your company can be next.
We're gonna go deliver lunch to Selkirk Construction, but first we gotta go pick it up. Let's go. All right, guys, we are out here at Drumming Up Barbecue in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho to pick up lunch for Selkirk Construction.
All right, we got some brisket and pepper jack mac and cheese for you guys to snack on your way over. Awesome, thank you. You're welcome.
Got some food.
Oh yeah.
Pretty nice house.
My name is Zach Laurie. I'm with Selkirk Construction. I messaged out to Titan Truck. I was lucky enough that they chose our crew here at Selkirk Construction and won myself a $100 gift card. Wanted to give you guys some insight on exactly what we do that sets us apart from the rest. You'll see here with Selkirk Construction, we use top-of-the-line innovative material. We've got zip systems going on all of our sheeting, both roof and wall sheeting, as well as custom timber work, like this entry right here. We pride ourselves on quality and workmanship. We are a full custom home builder here in North Idaho. Last year we just won the Parade of Homes for the best builder in North Idaho. We've been in business for about 8 years, and most of the individuals who run our construction crews here are previous law enforcement or first responders.
Your company could be next. Nominate your crew by messaging us on Facebook or Instagram. Give us your name, your company's name, and your job site. The deadline's February 27th, and the winner announced February 28th at Titan Truck Spokane or Facebook.com/Titan Truck. Titan Truck. Get more done and have more fun.